In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Safari to iPhone. First, let's address the situation where Safari seems to be missing from your home screen. This can happen for a few reasons, but don't worry, it's a common issue. To start, you will need to swipe left past your last home screen page. This action will take you to the App Library, a feature designed to help you organize your apps. In the app library, all your apps are neatly categorized. This makes it easier to locate apps that are not immediately visible. Once you're in the app library, keep an eye out for the search bar at the top. Now, let's search for Safari. Use your finger to tap on the search bar. Start typing Safari. As you type, you will see the app appear in the results below. This step is crucial because it confirms that Safari is still installed on your device. If you find Safari here, it means the app hasn't been deleted, just misplaced. This is reassuring because it saves you the trouble of reinstalling an app that is already present on your phone. Next, touch and hold the Safari app icon that appears in the search results. A menu will pop up with options. Here you will see the option to add the app back to your home screen. Tap on Add to Home Screen. Alternatively, you can drag the app back to the home screen if you prefer that method. This action will restore Safari to your home screen, making it easily accessible once again. This little step makes sure you can quickly return to browsing the web without any hassle. If Safari is hidden instead of missing, we need to take a different approach. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings app by looking for the gear icon on your home screen. Tapping on Settings opens up a menu with various options. This is where you can adjust many important features of your iPhone. It is vital to know how to navigate this part of your device as it holds the keys to customizing your experience. Now tap on Screen Time. This feature allows you to monitor and manage your app usage. It also contains settings that can restrict access to certain apps. Look for Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on it. This section is important because it can limit what apps are visible or accessible on your device. You may not even realize that restrictions are in place, which is why checking here is essential. Within Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap on Allowed Apps and Features. On older iOS versions, this may simply be labeled Allowed Apps. This section will show you a list of apps that are permitted on your device. Make sure to find Safari in this list. If you see that Safari is turned off, tap the toggle to turn it on. This step is crucial as it will allow Safari to be visible and usable on your iPhone. It's worth noting that on most iPhones, Safari cannot be deleted because it is part of the iOS system. If you don't see it, it's usually just hidden or removed from the home screen rather than uninstalled. This means that with the right steps, you can easily restore it to its rightful place. Once you have completed all these steps, you should see Safari back on your home screen. You are now ready to start browsing the web again. Remember, knowing how to manage your apps effectively can greatly enhance your iPhone experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you.